So most people think leadership is mindset, more discipline, better habits, stronger confidence. But the truth is, most people aren't failing because they don't know what to do. They are failing because their nervous system is overloaded. Dharmic leadership isn't hustle or ego. It's alignment, inner clarity, inner stability, leading from truth, not pressure. And it starts with identity, because your identity is the root of your leadership. If the identity is confused, the decisions are confused. If your nervous system is braced, your decisions become survival based. So even if you look high functioning from the outside, this is personal to me now. I didn't leave Ireland for Bali. I left a version of myself that was exhausted. Burnout woke me up. So silence rebuilt me, and Bali gave me space to hear myself again. Vipassana showed me something really, really simple. The greatest leaders don't speak the loudest, they listen the deepest, because silence dissolves ego and restores clarity. And here is a real point. If you don't manage your inner world, the outer world will always overwhelm you. Inner stability is real leadership. And if you are a founder, entrepreneur, creator, listen carefully. You're probably not burned out from work. You are burned out from noise, notifications, pressure, comparisons, constant thinking. A calm mind is a weapon. A clear mind is a leader. That's why WarriorX exists, not as motivation, but as a training. Training you to become steady inside noise, because the next leadership advantage is nervous system regulation.